We're a small IT shop. In total, there are 5 of us. So we don't have a whole lot of time to be messing about and wasting time. And Kaseya has really been instrumental in building efficiencies in how we run. I'm Ron Roy. I'm the manager of ITS for the City of Stratford.
My name is Ryan Treisner. I'm the network administrator for the City of Stratford.
The City of Stratford is known primarily for the Stratford Shakespearean Festival, but we're far more than just that. The City of Stratford has one of the best agricultural bases in Ontario, and we go all the way up to aerospace. We've got a lot of professional organizations, a lot of aftermarket, automotive, industrial, so we really cover a lot of areas within the city itself. Just recently, Stratford's been named to the top 7 most intelligent communities in the world, so we're rather proud of that. The IT department here for the City of Stratford, we cover everything from soup to nuts. We handle day-to-day phone calls from end users that might deal with application type-based solutions, right down to my printer doesn't work, I don't understand what this message is on my screen. We have to help them find their way through whatever they're working on. We also take a look at physical failures, connectivity issues and problems and questions. These are all, again, with the various departments around the city. We are a single hub. There are not multiple IT departments around the City of Stratford within the organization. So all calls do come into the IT department here at City Hall.
We manage about 230 systems in total, including our servers. So there's about 20 servers in there as well that we have control of.
Kaseya has been a great help for managing our issues based on the fact that we now have a single point of access. What we've done here as a standard within the IT department is all the users here in IT have Kaseya start up automatically when we turn our computers on.
We open up a web page first thing in the morning, and there it is. We can see whether all our servers are up, whether their services are doing what they're supposed to be doing, or if anybody's having a problem.
And then we'll basically use the system to remotely connect to the end user, find out what their problems are, how we can help them, and review what's going on.
We have to make sure the systems are running and available for the employees of the city.
It's been extremely helpful having just a one-stop shop, basically, so far as support is concerned for our end users.
Before Kaseya, we had a few different applications that we used to manage our environment.
They were functional, they were operational, but the difficulty is that they were in all kinds of different modes. We had different ways of gaining access to, as an example, remote access to an end user. So although we did have solutions, the Kaseya solution now has given us, as I say, a one-stop. It's just natural. We come in and it's become that application that we start up first thing in the morning. Depending on the phone call that we get, of course everyone's day changes depending on the phone call that you receive, will depend on exactly how we're going to use Kaseya. Whether it's just to record a call and create the knowledge base that we're actually using Kaseya for now as well, so that we can repeat and resolve ongoing calls and issues. Or it may be remotely connecting and assisting a user through an error or an application. Sometimes it may be as simple as going through the viewer, the remote access, to actually see what the error is. Sometimes we tend to get a bit of a disconnect between what the problem really is and what they're saying on the telephone. So it really does help out a lot to provide us some eyes out there in the street.
Today we couldn't live without the remote connection. We had it before with a different product, but it was unsupported. It was basically supported by us. So now to have it, we just know it works. Kaseya is there, and we can just click on the remote connect button, and there they are. So we're connected, and then we can see what they're seeing and fix it faster. So Kaseya has made us more efficient, and we can get more done.
It comes down to efficiencies. It also actually, in our case, came significantly down to cost. When you're maintaining multi-point solutions, you're maintaining multi-levels of ongoing support and operations and upgrades and changes. What I found for my budget, when it comes down to bottom line, going to a single source solution means I only have one point of concern, control, and budget. And actually it was considerably less expensive than what we were using previously. What I find most convenient about Kaseya is it's all in one place. So the fact that it's one portal, one window, one dashboard, one group access along the simple menu on the left-hand side, that's where it really makes a big difference for us, is being able to go in and just have that single solution.